Hi there guys, I wondered where you've been. So great, let's get the party started. So get your kit together, we've got fruity florals for you to try. Give it a whirl and I'm sure it's going to be a fantastic journey. So walk this way. So, welcome back. I'm going to start with Big Brian. Just get a bit of fresh water on him. We're just going to cascade. So that's putting the brush down, pushing it out. And same again, just trying to get the shape, rough shape of the flowers at the top, the irises there. Going to dive straight in with a Coffee Strength Royal Blue. So start in the middle and just push that out. Yep. So Coffee Strength needs to be a bit stronger, doesn't it? There we go. And again. So we're not actually trying to paint any particular irises, just the general shape, and then we'll pick a few out as we go. So there we go. That was Royal Blue Coffee Strength. Clean the brush off. Now we're going to go with Mauve, Big Brian still. Same caper. Just drag a few little lines over, some big, some small, maybe smaller at the back. Just bring those down. Yeah, happy, thrilled, fabulous. Right, now we're going to drop in a little bit of Cad Orange, so a little bit stronger. This is Cream. Let's choose a few roughly where they may fall. So one just there, one at the back, good shot, maybe there, maybe there, and maybe just there. So they're really just the centres. Let them bleed out and do their own little thing. So we're going to trip in there with Mini Dave now and a little bit of Cobalt Blue. A little bit stronger this, so we're almost going cream on this.